Hey everyone, we're here with University of Life and Culinary Dining, cooking from around the world. Today I have a family recipe from my grandparents in Sicily. Hope you enjoy it. Thank you. The rice you cook with just water. Don't add any salt, don't add any pepper. So on plain rice in water, keep stirring it until the rice is tender. Once the rice is tender, pour the rice into your pan with your calamari. Let it drip dry for about 20 minutes to 30 minutes. I want to get a nice ricotta cheese. I'm going to get some grated parm or shredded parm, it's really good. You buy fresh or you can buy it pre-grated. You want a soft mozzarella butter, right? Add some white pepper. After that, the key trick is granulated garlic. Do not use fresh garlic because you don't want the bite or the crunch in your rice ball. Once you get that, you're going to mix it up. Once you have a nice mix, you're going to fold in some frozen peas. I dip my hand in a little flour. I roll. Now I have my flour, I have my egg, and then I have my breadcrumbs. Key when you're breading, always keep one hand dry, one hand wet. Now we're going to fry them in a fry. At home, I would take a pot, fill about 2 inches of oil. So when I fill up the pot, the oil is above the rice ball. I put them on the pan. I roll them on parchment paper. If you don't have parchment paper, you know what? A newspaper. Take it inside of a newspaper. And then we have a beautiful, soft, tender, hot rice ball that's creamy. How nice is that? Enjoy.